Ultra stylish, incredibly compact. The HF10 Full HD camcorder delivers Full HD 1920 by 1080 recording, with all the versatility of dual flash memory. Canon's dual flash memory system has the best of both worlds, so you're always ready to shoot. Record straight to removable memory cards, or record up to 6 hours of high-definition video on 16 GB of internal flash memory. And because flash memory is smaller than other types of recording media, the HF10 is stylishly compact, small enough to carry it in your pocket. HF10 provides Full HD all the way from the lens to your TV screen. It captures, records and outputs in 1920 by 1080 Full HD to match the resolution of the latest HD televisions. The superior quality of Canon HD video comes down to the Canon HD camera system. The combination of 3 unique technologies, a Canon HD video lens with 12 times optical zoom, a 3.3 megapixel Canon Full HD CMOS sensor, and the powerful Digic DV2 processor. Instant autofocus avoids focusing errors, and Super Range Optical Image Stabilizer counteracts the effects of camera shake, both of which are magnified when shooting in HD. Manual audio controls, microphone and headphone connections, HDMI for viewing and transfers, and a range of optional accessories make the HF10 a truly versatile system. You can even use it to capture fantastic 3.1 megapixel still images.